Hi guys, here is another question. In the below reaction, the reagent A is. So this compound when reacted with A forms a carboxylic acid group to the benzene ring. So if you look at the options, you will be able to directly find the correct answer because NaBH4 and H3O plus is a reducing agent. Similarly, HCl and ZnHg is what is used in the chlorination process in the reaction. LiAlH4 is also a reducing agent. The only oxidizing agent in this case is alkaline KMnO4H+. The reaction goes as this: when reacts with alkaline KMnO4, reacts with the CH3, removing each and every hydrogen or replacing each and every hydrogen with OH as the case. And OH, if you know that when there are two OH on a single carbon atom, this is the case. This is the intermediate forming, correct? Here is the benzene ring, and whenever we have two OH on a single carbon atom, be it any OH, they reduce or take out water from the entire compound and forms a double bond structure over here, forming a carboxylic acid in this case. Thank you.